Yo, what's good, bag chasers? It's your boy Bray or Bray Forex, and today I'm bringing y'all a support and resistance video. But before we get into it, I just want to say thank you for all the love on my channel. My US 30 video has over like 400 views, and we grew like 30 subscribers in like a week. Like last week we had like 2 subs. Now I have 32. So thank you guys so much for showing love and supporting the boy, man. Any questions you guys have, please keep asking them. I've been replying to you guys' comments. Thank y'all so much for the love, man. But I thought that support and resistance should be the first video I made because first video I made out of the 2 I posted on my story, because I posted a poll and people were saying either like moving average or support and resistance. So I decided support and resistance because support and resistance works with so many styles, especially when you're a price action trader like I am. Like, it's really good. It's really helpful. It'll show you where price is respecting. And I know a lot of people draw them a lot of different ways. I know there's psychological levels and all that, but I'm just going to show you the simple way that I do it. Y'all know I'm all about simplicity on this channel. So let's jump into this video, man. Oh, y'all didn't see this. Y'all did not see this. I was looking this up for a friend. We're going to get into the video though. So basically, I went to GJ. GJ is one of my favorite pairs to trade. Everybody loves trading GJ. I noticed that, like all the big traders, like, you know, everyone loves GJ because it moves and it trends pretty hard. Like you see, we're on a big uptrend right now. So what I like to do is I just like to come over here to TradingView, and when you first open TradingView, it's going to be like this. It's going to look like this. It's going to have the brush. But what you want to do is you want to go over, hit this little arrow, and go rectangle. That's how I draw mine. You can use horizontal lines and all that, but I don't really like that. I like using the rectangle. So that's what we're using today. So I just go to places where price respects a lot. So right here, this is the first zone I would probably look at because I see how many times it wicked here. So I would probably just draw it here and just drag it out. And I like to drag it back just to see, like, did it respect earlier? And this is a pretty key level because, as you can see right here, price, it was a resistance for these candles right here, and it's a support for these candles. So this is a key zone that price really just, you know, respected. So as we keep going, I'm gonna draw a couple levels for you guys. I'll probably draw like one here-ish, so somewhere around here. Let me pull it up a little bit. And for me, I know a lot of people say do it at the end of the body. I do it kind of at the end of the body, but sometimes I'll like let just the wicks hit. But for this right here, we'll just do the body. It's really up to you. It's all preference. And somewhere right here, this little area right here, price has touched a lot. And as you can see, it was a resistance for the previous candles and the support for these candles, and it's kind of just like the break and retest strategy I showed you guys on my last video, on the small accounts video. And you guys like that video, so let me know if you guys want more videos like that. I'm currently trading a smaller account. I know a lot of you guys asked me a lot about US 30 because, you know, that's the video I made a lot of money off of in 3 days. I made like $1,000 in 3 days. But the reason I haven't been trading US 30 is simply because I actually want to show you guys really quickly, because I know it's a fast way to make money, but fast money isn't always a good thing because you can lose money just as fast as you gain it. But as you can see, US 30, I like clear trends. When I trade, I like to see either a straight uptrend or a straight downtrend. I don't like, you know, this. Like this, it was an uptrend, right? You see how right here is trending up. And then it just started side channeling. So it just started kind of like ranging to the side. And now it's finally breaking back up, which now maybe I could trade it. But you see it retested and it broke up, just like the strategy I was telling y'all in the other video, the growing account video. So lately I haven't really been trading it too much because it's been kind of indecisive. So yeah, that's why I haven't been trading US 30 as much. But basically with support and resistance, this is all it really is, guys. Like what I like to do is I'll wait for it to break, retest, and then keep going up with it. So you see right here, it broke up past this level, came back down, it bounced, then it broke up again. Did the same thing here, broke up, bounce, 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 and kept going. And that's why I only trade strong trends, because you don't want side channeling or ranging or consolidation, because it could easily break structure. You know what I'm saying? And it could go the opposite way. So you want to make sure when you use support and resistance, in my opinion, I like to see a clear trend. Like this is a clear uptrend, and you can see it because it's breaking above these levels. And it's just keep going. So I mean, that's really all it is. I'm working on a new strategy for you guys. It's like pullback trading. So it kind of goes with the support and resistance, and the break and retest strategy. I'm sorry guys, my mind was clouded for a second, but it goes with that. So you guys are going to love it. It's a very simple strategy. I've been back testing it this past weekend, and my win percentage is like 85-90. So I'm winning a lot. And when I lose, it's generally because I'm trading like US 30 where it's like side consolidation. But whenever I trade a clear trend, I win almost every time. But I have a moving averages video that's going to come out next. So you guys let me know how you feel about that. And if you have any questions on support and resistance, let me know. This is just a short, simple little video. But basically, yeah, man, that's just all you want to do. You just want to see these breaks and retests, and you just want to mark up zones where it's like constantly respecting. So that's normally what I do on the 4 hour, but I look for entries on the 15. So I come to the 15, and as you can see, it bounced and it's continuously going up. So what I would do here is I would just do the same thing on the smaller time frame, so I don't get in during consolidation. So what I would do is I'm gonna just make this one zone as an example to show you guys. As you can see, it's a key level because it's resistance, because it keeps bouncing off here. It finally broke through and then it became support. So this is a key area. So what I like to do is, since it's an uptrend, I'll wait for it to break, come back down. It's bouncing, it's bouncing, it's bouncing, it's bouncing. And a lot of people, they would see this bounce right here. They say, oh, I'm gonna place a buy, which you could do that. So let's see what happened if you did it. Okay, so let's say you placed a buy right on this level and you made stop loss like a little bit below, and you made your take profit. Like, let's say you did do up here. For me, I like to do 1 to 2s. I normally like to do 1 to 2 risk reward normally. So you would have won. If you would have did that, you would have won. But in a lot of cases, like let's say you would have did it right here, you would have got stopped out. So to avoid getting stopped out, what I like to do is, hold on, let me zoom in so you guys can see. What I like to do is I like to wait. What in the world, Bray? Are you drunk? But I like to see it going up, and you see how the moving average is sweeping, which I'll talk more about that in the moving average videos. I like to see a sweep with momentum. So you see how it's consolidating here, and it finally broke structure because these candles broke these highs right here. So I'll draw a little rectangle right here on these highs. So what I like to do is I like to draw little zones like this. And once it broke here, I would have got in because it broke here. It's the moving average is sweeping under it. So, oh, actually, yes. So let's say we would have got in like here a little bit above, and we would have put stops to these lows down here, and we would have got our 1 to 2. We're already on the 1 to 2 and we won. But then you could drag it up even higher, and you could have caught these 40 some pips. But me personally, what I would have done is I probably would have just took the 1 to 2 and caught my 20 pips, and that's cool. But another thing that you also could do is, guys, okay, you see how it rose up. You're not in any drawdown. That's what I love about this. There's no drawdown with this entry. So you're riding it all the way up, and it came down and it made a low. Now me, you know, I would take my fib tool, but with this new strategy, you don't even need a fib tool. But I'm not going to tell you guys about it until I make sure it's foolproof. I want to trade some this week and really get used to it before I tell you guys. But you can come to where it was going up and it came down and made this rejection wick to the bottom, this low, and you could have got in again, and you could have put stops at this other low right here, and you could have got another 1 to 2. So let's say you did another 1 to 2. You could have caught another 14 pips, or you can use the fib and it'll probably took you somewhere up here. So let's say you would have pulled out the fib. Let's see, fib retracement, and you would have drug from, where's a good point? Let's just say here. Let's just say the line to like here to this before it came back down to make the low. If you would have drug there, you see it rejected in the gold zone down here, and you could have drugged that up to the 27. So that would have put you at a 24.6, or if you would have went to the 61, it would have put you at a 31.7 pips, bro. And it's over. It's like a 1 to 3 risk reward. You can't beat that, guys. So that's honestly how I use support and resistance to kind of just show me like where price is respecting. And I use that in confluence with the moving averages when to enter. And that's just really it, guys. I mean, that's the video for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It's been your boy Bray, and I'm out, man.